Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are continuing the top 50 SQL question of LeetCode, and today is day 4 of that series, right? So today's question is article v1. But before that, if you are here for the first time, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, please like the video and share among your friends. I have created one new playlist particularly for these series, so you can access all those videos. I'll paste the link into the description box, and once the series is completed, I'll solve all these 50 questions in pandas as well, so don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's understand today's question. So basically we have one table. The table name is views, and there are total 4 columns. The columns are article ID, author ID, viewer ID, and view date. And for this table, there is no primary key as clearly mentioned here. So what we have to do, let's understand the requirement and then we will try to solve this question. So the requirement is write a solution to find all the authors that viewed at least one of their own article. That means if we try to understand via an example, so what I'll explain you is, for example, suppose I am an author, right? And my author ID is 4. And if my author ID is 4, then my viewer ID will be also 4. That is because of that I will be able to see my articles, right? So here if we look at the table, for this particular rows, author ID is 3, right? But viewer ID is 5. So this person whose author ID is 3 is not able to see their article, right? Similarly for this as well. But if we look at author ID 7, here the viewer ID is also 7. That means this person whose author ID is 7 is able to see their own article, right? And similarly for this particular row whose author ID is 4, right? But here we have duplicate author IDs, right? 4 4, and viewer ID is also 4 4. But in the output, if we look at in the output, we have only 1 4 and 1 7. That is what I explained just now, right? And understand one more thing, we have to return the result table sorted by ID in ascending order, right? So we have to uh, sort the result into ascending order, right? So how we can solve this question? So let's try to solve. So select, as of now I'll take all the columns, so select start from table name. So table name is view. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to filter out, right? We have to filter out based on some condition. So the condition is, and if we are filtering out, what we have to use, we have to use where clause, right? So that means now what would be the filter condition? Condition is when author ID is equal to viewer ID, right? Author ID is equal to viewer ID. That is what we understood, right? For this particular here, like this 7 author ID and 7 is also viewer ID. That means both author ID and viewer ID is equal. That is the reason 7 is in the output, right? And similarly for 4 as well, right? Now now what we have to do is we have to sort the result in a, so we have to sort. So how we sort? Order by what? Order by ID. ID is nothing but author ID, right? Let's try to run and see the result. And what with the remaining one, we will update accordingly. It's taking a bit more time. So as of now, wrong answer. The reason is we have to keep only ID, and here if you look at this, 4 is coming 2 times and 7 is coming 1 time. what we have to do is we have to remove 1/4, right, from the output. So how we can achieve this one? We can use distinct, right? So distinct of what? In the output we need id. Id is nothing but author id. So I'll keep only author id in the select statement. And distinct of order id. Distinct of what? Order id, right? But in the output the column name is id. So we have to rename author id as id. So how we can do is using alias, using as keyword. Okay, now if I try to run, I hope the answer will be correct. It's taking more time. Don't know what is the reason. Maybe internet problem and all. Yeah, see. So code is accepted for one test case. Let's now try to submit and see the final. If the code is correct for all type of test cases or not. See, code is correct for all 13 test cases, but we are beating very less number of people, that is 10.62%. So here we have to optimize the code. If you have optimized code, please comment your code into the comment section, or else I'll comment optimized code into the comment section. So if you like the video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share among your friends. Till then, take care. We will meet soon. Bye bye. Take care.